Imagine biting into a fruit so rich, so decadent, it's been called the king of dates. This isn't hyperbole, this is the Medjool date. Prized for its caramel-like sweetness and soft, chewy texture, the Medjool date is a world apart from its drier, less flavorful cousins. But this king doesn't inherit its throne, it earns it. The journey from seed to your table is a testament to the dedication of farmers, the ingenuity of processors, and the enduring allure of this ancient fruit. Join me as we delve into the world of Medjool dates, exploring their journey from the palm groves to your pantry. It's a story of tradition, innovation, and the irresistible sweetness that has captivated cultures for millennia. Our journey begins with a tiny seed, holding the potential for towering heights and bountiful harvests. This seed, often overlooked, is a marvel of nature, encapsulating within it the blueprint for a magnificent tree that will one day stand tall and proud. Planted with care, the Medjool date seed sprouts, pushing its way through the warm earth. This initial stage is crucial, as the seed absorbs moisture and nutrients, awakening from its dormancy. The first tender shoot breaks through the soil, reaching for the sunlight, a symbol of new beginnings and the promise of growth. It craves sun, thrives in arid climates, and drinks deeply from the earth. The date palm is uniquely adapted to its environment, with roots that delve deep into the ground to find water, and leaves that are designed to minimize water loss. In the harsh desert landscape, it stands resilient, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Years pass, and the seedling transforms. From a small, delicate plant, it grows steadily, its trunk thickening and its leaves spreading wide. Each year brings new growth, new challenges, and new triumphs. The date palm's journey is one of perseverance and strength. What was once a fragile sprout becomes a majestic palm, its crown a verdant plume against the desert sky. The tree now stands as a beacon of life in the arid landscape, its lush foliage providing shade and shelter. The transformation is nothing short of miraculous, a true wonder of the natural world. It can take 5 to 8 years for a date palm to reach maturity, a testament to the patience required for this sweet reward. Each ring in its trunk tells a story of the years gone by, of the seasons it has weathered, and the growth it has achieved. The orchard becomes a living chronicle of time, with each tree contributing to the narrative. But patience is rewarded. Once mature, a single Medjool date palm can bear fruit for up to 100 years, a testament to the enduring strength of this desert icon. The fruits, rich and sweet, are a culmination of years of growth and care. Farmers harvest these dates with pride, knowing they are part of a tradition that spans generations. And what fruit it bears! The Medjool dates are not just a source of nourishment, they are a symbol of the tree's resilience and the farmer's dedication. Each bite is a taste of history, a reminder of the journey from seed to tree, and the incredible process of growth and transformation that makes it all possible. As the summer sun beats down, the date palms stand laden with bunches of ripening fruit, their branches heavy with the promise of sweetness. The golden hues of the dates glisten under the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing sight that speaks of nature's abundance. Each tree, with its towering presence, tells a story of resilience and the cycle of life thriving in the arid landscape. Harvest time is a delicate dance, a careful balance of tradition and technology. Modern tools and age-old techniques come together in harmony, ensuring that the harvest is both efficient and respectful of the ancient practices. The blend of the old and the new is evident in every step, from the use of advanced machinery to the meticulous hand-picking of dates. Workers, their movements practiced and precise, scale the towering palms. With agility and grace they ascend the heights, a testament to their skill and experience. Each climb is a calculated effort, a dance with the trees that requires both strength and finesse. The workers' connection to the palms is almost symbiotic, a relationship built over years of dedication. Using specialized knives, they carefully cut the heavy bunches of dates, ensuring each precious fruit is handled with care. The sharp blades glint in the sunlight as they slice through the stems, releasing the dates from their lofty perches. Every cut is deliberate, every movement measured, to protect the integrity of the fruit. The workers' hands, calloused yet gentle, cradle the dates as they are lowered to the ground. It's a labor of love, passed down through generations, a testament to the deep connection between people and this remarkable fruit. The knowledge and skills are shared from elders to the young, ensuring that the traditions endure. This intergenerational bond is the backbone of the date farming community, a living heritage that honors the past while embracing the future. The younger workers learn not just the techniques but the values and respect that come with the craft. Once lowered to the ground, the date bunches are gathered and transported for the next stage of their journey. The process is seamless, a well-orchestrated operation that reflects the efficiency and dedication of the workers. The dates are carefully placed in crates or baskets, ready to be taken to the processing areas. Each bunch is handled with the same care and attention as when it was harvested, ensuring that the quality remains uncompromised. The air is thick with the sweet aroma of ripening dates, a sensory reminder of the bounty of the harvest. The scent is intoxicating, a blend of earthiness and sweetness that fills the senses. It is a fragrance that speaks of hard work, dedication, and the rewards of the harvest season. The sight of the ripe dates, hanging in clusters, is a visual feast, a celebration of nature's generosity. The wide expanse of the date farm, bustling with activity, is a testament to the collective effort and the shared joy of the harvest. The journey from farm to factory is swift, ensuring the dates arrive at their destination in peak condition. These dates, harvested at the peak of ripeness, are carefully loaded onto trucks. The farmers, with years of experience, know exactly when to pick the dates to ensure they are at their sweetest and most flavorful. The journey begins in the early morning with the sun just rising over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the orchards. Loaded onto trucks, the dates begin their journey to state-of-the-art processing facilities, where they will be transformed from orchard bounty to shelf-ready treats. The trucks, specially designed to transport perishable goods, ensure that the dates remain fresh during their journey. As they arrive at the processing plant, the dates are carefully unloaded and inspected for quality. The exterior of the facility gleams in the sunlight, a testament to the modern technology housed within. These facilities, often located near the date groves, are a hive of activity. Inside, the air is filled with the sweet aroma of dates, mingling with the sounds of machinery and the voices of workers. The workers, many of whom have been with the company for years, take great pride in their work. They know that each date they handle is a piece of the desert's bounty, destined to bring joy to someone far away. Here, skilled workers and advanced machinery work in harmony to process the dates quickly and efficiently, preserving their freshness and flavor. The dates move along conveyor belts, where they are sorted and cleaned. Advanced machinery ensures that each date is processed with precision, removing any imperfections and ensuring that only the best dates make it to the next stage. The workers, with their keen eyes and deft hands, work alongside the machines, ensuring that the process runs smoothly. The air inside the factory is abuzz with the hum of machinery and the chatter of workers, a symphony of industry dedicated to bringing the taste of the desert to the world. The machinery, a marvel of modern engineering, works tirelessly to process the dates. The workers, moving with practiced efficiency, ensure that each date is handled with care. The factory is a bustling hub of activity, with everyone working together to achieve a common goal. Every step in the process, from arrival to packaging, is carefully orchestrated to maintain the quality and freshness of these prized dates. The dates are packaged in a variety of ways, from simple bags to elegant gift boxes ready to be shipped to markets around the world. Quality control is a top priority, with each package inspected to ensure that it meets the highest standards. The journey of the dates, from the orchards to the shelves, is a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved. Upon arrival at the factory, the dates begin a meticulous journey through a series of specialized processes. First, they are gently separated from their branches, ensuring each date is handled with care to prevent bruising or damage. Next comes cleaning. Using a combination of air blowers and gentle washing techniques, any remaining debris or dust is removed, leaving the dates sparkling clean and ready for the next stage. Sorting is crucial. Skilled workers, their eyes trained to spot imperfections, meticulously inspect each date, removing any that are damaged or blemished. Only the highest quality dates will make it to the next stage. Once cleaned and sorted, the dates are graded according to size, softness, and sweetness. This meticulous process ensures that each date is categorized according to its unique characteristics, allowing for consistency in packaging and pricing. Some dates are destined for snacking, their plumpness and sweetness ideal for enjoying straight from the package. Others, slightly drier and chewier, are perfect for baking, adding a burst of natural sweetness and chewy texture to cookies, cakes, and breads. After grating, some dates undergo pitting, a process that removes the hard seed at the center of the fruit. This is typically done mechanically, ensuring efficiency and consistency. The pitted dates, plump and ready to eat, are a testament to the ingenuity of modern processing techniques.